Welland Power, and this is our 1103A-33TG1 diesel engine for our diesel generator sets. This engine is the Perkins 1103-33TG1 with 3 cylinders, 3.3 litre with a bore of 105mm and a stroke of 127mm. It's also turbocharged. This engine, running at 50 Hz, produces a prime power of 42.2 kilowatts mechanical and a standby power of 46.5 kilowatts mechanical, but running this engine at 60 Hz produces a prime power of 50.5 kilowatts mechanical and a standby power of 55.6 kilowatts mechanical. This engine has a cast iron body and a crankshaft that is forged into one single piece.